my tongue for way too long. Played your game, kept playing along, but now the volume's turning up, and I'm done pretending this is love. You thought I'd break, you thought I'd beg, but look who's begging now instead. I found my voice, I found my fight, and baby I won't say it twice. You thought I'd fall apart in silence, but I rewrote the end inside.